Hey, it's Dog Digger here, and I'm going to show you a video on the Sound to Light add-on module for the blinking LED, and well, I'm going to show you the steps going right through it. Alright, first of all, you need an NPN transistor, an LED, any type will do, a 1/8" stereo jack, and a battery. I'm using a CR2032, and you just use any 3-volt battery. So I'm just going to desolder it and then resolder the whole thing for you, and yeah, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so this is Mr. Dog Digger back for the Sound to Light. Now, first, I recommend getting a helping hands to put your transistor in while you're soldering. They're just handy overall, and yeah. So, first step is to strip and tin the connections of the 3.5 stereo jack. Just strip the wires and twist the left and right channel together. You can see that there, and then tin the connections there. Now, first of all, you get the negative of the LED, the cathode, and solder it onto the collector of the transistor, which is first pin. If the rounded edge of the transistor, the round edge or the round side, is facing you, or facing up. So make sure you do all good solder connections there, and then the left and right audio signal, the positive audio signal, goes to the base of the transistor, which is always the middle pin. Doesn't matter which way you're looking at it. So solder that on really well. Make sure it's not going to snap off. And then solder the ground to the remaining transistor pin, the emitter. So make sure they're good solder joints and they're good and strong. Then the battery, I've just soldered 2 leads onto it. It's best if you get a battery holder, but I didn't really have one at my disposal. So solder the positive of the battery to the positive of the LED, the anode of the LED. So get the solder good and good on there. There we go. Solder the negative to the ground, which is occasionally the emitter, which is always, in this case, it's the emitter. So that's the circuit fully assembled, and I'll just show you that it's going to work. Okay, give me a moment to set this up. So I've plugged it into my computer, and always set the volume on to maximum, and let me get some music up for you. Come on, there we go, and it's blinking, it's always a good sign, and that means it's working. So you could connect it up to other things like a relay, but yeah, so like a 3-volt relay or something, in or pretty much 12-volt relay if you have a big transistor for it. But yeah, the circuit's all working, and that's a good sign. So yeah, battery's running a little bit low, but yeah. So hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, see you later. Okay, sorry, how the circuit works is first of all, the audio signal, which is pretty weak, is going through the audio source to this, and the ground is just going to the negative of that, of the battery, and that connects, and what the transistor does is that it's sort of like a miniature relay. It's a switching transistor, and you just need any NPN transistor for it. So when it detects over a certain voltage through the certain current into the stereo jack, gets that to there, and it's sort of like it switches when it gets about 60 milliamps. It switches the negative of the battery and allows it to go to the cathode of the LED, and then the anode, of course, is just connected to the positive of the battery, and yeah, LED, best things in the world.